Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. My name is Michaela Richter and I'm going to take you along with me for the week. A week being at home. So I do work away. I work away at the mines as an electrician, so I still have to earn money. But you know, I'm doing this as a hobby because I've been wanting to do it for a very long time. My friends do know that. My channel is going to be a lot of like vlogs, very like getting to know me, getting to know all about my, like everyone's been seeing my house stuff. I'm gonna do a heap of home decor. I will do some makeup, but I'm not a makeup artist and I've just been learning, so it's, I don't know, really touch and go. I've got a heap of hauls I want to do, like makeup hauls and fashion hauls. This week I'm actually hopefully getting my full-length mirror for my room. Yeah, so you get to see that. I'm hoping it comes on Thursday. Don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna do heaps of like decor, maybe some cooking. I've been really like cooking, and yeah, it's gonna be like a mix and match blog kind of YouTube, but I hope you like it. This week I'm getting my hair done, so I'm not sure what I'm gonna get done. I go to Soul Hair with Ella. I think I really want to do something a little bit different. I've been blonde for a very long time. I'm thinking of maybe, like, I've been liking my hair pulled back a lot, like back into like a bun, a low bun. And I think because of the blonde, I kind of look a little bit bald because it matches my skin. So I'm thinking maybe a bit of darker roots. Yeah, I'm not really sure yet, but yeah. At the moment, actually, at the moment, I'm going to coffee with my parents, which I'm pretty keen about. I've been using like this bad boy. It's by Frank Green, and it's gotten me really into coffee, which is really weird. Like, I don't know, I really love it, but no, it's really good. Oh look, I can see Kiwi out there. Should I let them in? I should let them in. So I have two dogs, one named Kiba and one named Arlo. I've had Kiba for what, is it 4 years, 3 years, baby? I don't know. And Arlo's our little bubba. Oh, it's so bright. Hello, baby. Hello. Hello. Come on in. Hello, my darlings. These are my dogs. Kiba is a Siberian Husky. Yes, she is a bit chubby at the moment. She's on a diet. Now a restricted diet from the vet. And this is Arlo. He's a Alaskan Malamute. Yeah, Bubba. So yeah, let's go to coffee with my mom. So I'm back from having coffee with my parents. It was good to catch up with them. I went and got my nails done. I get the ombre French in square with like the pink like gel stuff over the top. And also I got my toes done. Yes. Sexy ass toes. So yeah, I've got to just clean the house a bit. It's pretty dirty since we got back from work yesterday, and I'll probably have to take, I gotta take some more pictures for Instagram because I've run out. just of the house and stuff. Also, I need to clean my room. Got back from Thailand and I still have not unpacked my bag, and that is what I'm dealing with right now. Yes, I also want to do a Sabo skirt haul. I got a heap of stuff from Sabo skirt that I want to do, but I'm waiting to get my mirror this week, hopefully there. I gotta get rid of that box, get rid of that lamp, so I can put my mirror here. Alright, so it's the next day. Ned and I are going to the movies. We're gonna go see the movie called Us. It's a horror movie, which is the guy that made Get Out. It's basically that guy that made that movie has now made a movie named Us. So we're going up to Rocky to go watch that, and we're gonna go I'm gonna go to HB & Co to go pay for my mirror, and then see if they can deliver it Tuesday. Sorry, not Tuesday, Thursday. It's Tuesday today. Also, we're gonna go to the shopping centre. I want to go to Kmart and see if they have these bar stools. But yeah, probably just have a look around. Do you need anything, babe? No, he doesn't need anything, but we'll still look anyway. And then tonight we've got dinner with Ned's parents. We're gonna go to Snitz because we love Snitz. But yeah, Ned doesn't want to be in the vlog, but hey. Oh well. But yeah, should be fun. Maybe. I want to put him in a little outfit. Ooh, mats. So if they didn't have my friggin' chairs, which I'm pissed. But oh, that's what I wanted to look at. I wanted to look at stationery stuff. Off to my hair appointment. So I'm going to Seoul Hair, and Ella's doing my hair. I'm not sure what I want to get done. Yeah, I'm not sure what I want to do. If I just stay blonde or if I go maybe like a darker blonde at the roots, just so it gives it kind of like not my skin color look. But yeah, I don't know. Also, I wanted to show you guys what I got yesterday from the shopping center. I didn't get much, but I did pay for my mirror, and it is coming on tomorrow. So the mirror is coming tomorrow about midday, which I'm excited for. So I'll show you guys that. I had a look at it again. It is massive. It is huge. But that's what I want. I didn't want a really big mirror for our room. Yeah. I just got back from the hairdressers, and this is what my hair looks like. It's very like, it's definitely what I wanted, like the brown, more like blondish brown. Can't even get the right. Is that better? Maybe that's a bit better. Yeah, so it's kind of like still blonde at the ends, balayage brown. Okay, so I'll show you guys what I got yesterday. One of the things that I got from JB Hi-Fi I'm actually using at the moment in my car, but I got like the little thing here. But basically I got a car mount for my camera so I can do vlogging in the car. Yeah, so I tried that out this morning and it's really good. Like it, I really liked it. Like it just suctions to your bonnet and you can just put your camera there and you don't even have to touch your camera. So I got that yesterday. I went to Lorna Jane and they were having like a 20% off. So I got this top. It's like a little crop top. I've been eyeing this one off for ages, but they only had a small left and I'm an extra small in the tops now. So it is a little bit big for me, but it's alright, it will do. It's just a crop top. I really like how like beigey color it is. It is really nice. I also went into Camera House and got a camera battery. So I got another one, just so when I'm filming and I run out my battery dies, I've got a spare one. I went to Priceline and got some toothpaste. Yes, how exciting, the charcoal one. Yes. And then I also got this, the thermal spring water by Avian. That. I just butcher a lot of words, but yeah, it's meant to be like a soothing and I don't know, just softening like spring water. I saw, who did I see? Well, I saw a makeup artist post about this and they just put it over their face like after makeup, which was really interesting. So I was like, ooh, maybe it can be like a setting-ish spray or maybe like a primer. Thermal spring water. I don't know, I'm gonna test it out, see what it's like. Test it with me. It's just like, I don't know, it feels nice. It feels really good. I don't know, it might be something like when you're feeling really hot or after like sunburn maybe, or just you feel like you need a refresher. That will be good. And that's really all I got yesterday. But I did pay like a lot of money to get my mirror tomorrow, so, and I got my hair done this week, so I kind of didn't really need to buy anything. And like I said before, the bar stools weren't there, so I'll probably order them next week because I really want them. I've just got like plain white ones at the moment that don't really match my house. They're very industrial, and these ones look a little bit better because they have like the wood and it'll kind of match like your wood here, and I've got like wood pieces and things, but yeah. Alright, so it is Thursday and I just got a parcel in the mail. I already know what it is. It's I got some stuff from Tropica. So we can open it together. Blurt out my address. Let's have a look. Ooh, So exciting. Cute. Lots of thank yous. Cute. So what I got was a another coconut bowl. I got one from Thailand, but I just wanted like a plain one. Oh, it actually feels really nice. Oh, so I got that. And then I wanted some, oh my god, all these things. Oh, those dogs are so annoying. I got some blue spirulina to put in my smoothies. I got 2 wooden spoons. And I also got some acai powder to put in my smoothies as well. Yeah, so that's all I got from Topeka. So this morning I cleaned the whole house. Everything is nice and clean. I also got rid of that stuff in the bedroom to make way for the mirror that's coming today. Should be here hopefully around lunchtime or in the afternoon. Okay, so all my stuff is gone. Made my bed looking pretty, and then that box and everything's gone from there. So that's where I'm gonna put the mirror. I'm just gonna keep that stuff there. I'm gonna probably film my sabo skirt haul today. It just depends when that arrives. The mirror, because I need the mirror. But yeah, everything is nice and clean. I've got the washing done. Yeah. So something really exciting happened to me yesterday. Shay, who is an amazing Yeppoon woman who owns and runs the Persona in Maroochydore, it was Give and Take here in Yeppoon, asked me to do some modeling slash photography photos yesterday. I had the funnest time doing it. I don't know, I've never done anything like that before. Got my photos taken and modeling some of the amazing clothes that she had, and it was just the greatest experience. You can check out some photos on her Instagram. I'll leave a link below, as well as the website that she has. But yeah, I had the funnest time yesterday. So beautiful. It is massive. Like, I have to walk right back just to get that in the shot. But it is huge. Like, definitely what I wanted for this room. I am so happy. Oh yes, this is so good. So it's just plain timber around on the frame, and I'll add more timber to the room. I'm probably going to end this vlog here. Yes, so this has been like my week of stuff. But yeah, no, I hope you enjoyed it. I'm gonna do more of these once I have like more things that are like exciting for the week. Like the mirror was probably like my highlight. I'm really excited for. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and don't forget to hit that notification bell for when I upload. And I'm going to upload every week, so it's either I'm going to upload 2 videos a week or 1 video a week, but I'll upload every week.